Y'all, there ain't nothing thrifty about $7. I spent that at McDonald's instead, brother. Yes, brother.
You can just sit there and just watch.
You bitch. It took down my gym.
Bitter. No.
The wind could blow from the wrong direction, and Athena will go to the mirror and start monologuing about it to herself. While wearing a shawl.
Gilby, that wasn't gentle. It don't get better at taking a nap with some wrestling, with your goob, right after they tear up some fresh toys. Oh, these guys are some cute too.
We're also signing an exclusive deal with the 5,500-seat Hara Arena, locking Anderson out of one of his venues. Last October, the WWF bulldozed their way into Cincinnati and Dayton with their stars at the front of the charge. Both cities remain monthly stops for the foreseeable future, with Jimmy Snuka, Sergeant Slaughter, Masked Superstar, and...
You okay, buddy? You okay? Teeny, be nice. He's old. Look at him, he looks so mad. Are you okay, son? Peachy, you wanna sit by me? I ain't gonna take your toy. You can sit by me. What you see? Who's that? The Diva's got new flavors.
That we wanted to document it internally.
That up once. Oh, excellent, excellent.
We did with the footage. Do you know?
Well, I miss those days.
Wow.
Who shot this footage? The death stare, like, why are you filming?
Get that camera off of me. This is the Super Bowl of wrestling.
WrestleMania, man.
At that time, Vegas was yearning to be accepted. WW.
She could sell almost anything except that outfit.
Weenie Coco.
Good, so you're not new to the, like, you're not brand new to the robot stuff.
No. They're very highly sought after.
Hey, teeny girl. What you think? Now, these will actually hold my pants. Opposed to whatever I thought that was gonna hold. Clearly my mini Minecraft figures. Got these done. Got plate number 3 done. Plate number 1, plate number 3, and this is plate number 2. We did them out of order, but plate number 2, 16 minutes. We about to go play Stardew. 16 hours. We about to play Stardew.
Later.
Oh yeah. Note to self, rotisserie chicken is not a car-friendly food. Rip it louder. Got some more Powerball and Mega Million tickets. I don't know if I mentioned the last time when I got some Mega a few days ago, but spent $20, hit 15. Boom, 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 boom. So I spent 30 this time. 20 on Mega again, 4 on Power.
Take your phone out and open up the abandoned app.
Okay. Where's my phone? And I got Dollar Scratcher, so we'll see. We'll see. And this is my name. I won $2. We up, baby. Hi, buddy. Hi, bud. Tiny little mew. What in the tiny mew? Oh yeah, got my paint racks made. Probably gonna paint some more, maybe 2 or 3 more of these middle sections. So I got the edges, 2 through my middle edges. And we gonna let, can you see it? Those print for the moon and maybe.
It's time to duel!
It looks like I'm going to Duelist. Duelist Kingdom, baby! I always thought you looked so cute being up here, but is it because you bully Violet to sleep all over there by the vacuum? And the Christmas gods have graced us with Bailey's login of Netflix still on my TV, so I don't have to buy it because they got rid of it on Peacock.
It is the dream of
Shawn Michaels, Ride or Die.
I had an unexplainable black eye.
He's deferring, and yeah, Jackson and defer, and he's gonna serve a mission for our church.
He's such a cute boy right there. That's a handsome, handsome dude.
Okay, this one you can really tell. The 4. That boy's way better. I still gotta go in there and get it though. Can you tell I kind of did a little bit? This one, I want to start painting tomorrow. Hi, girl. Did you know that it's done too? Do you get so happy every time you make things? Are you an Egyptian goddess, Susie? Are you one too, baby? Lisa, are we hanging out in this room right now? Okay. Now that I'm awake, ideally I can rip these off a lot easier. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?